everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add voiceovers to your project on Canva. So if this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video entirely and also subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so you get notifications every time we post. Now let's suppose you want to add a voiceover to your video. After you edited your video and you want to add a voiceover, you can go to the share section located on the top right, and then if you scroll down you can click on the more option. From here you can go to present and record, which will be under the share section, and then click on go to recording studio. Now you can choose two options. Either you can choose to turn on the camera if you want to record the video also, but if you want to only record the audio, then you can turn off the camera and choose any of the microphones that you have set up, and then after you're done you can click on start recording. And from here you will be able to add voiceovers to any of your videos. You can pause your voiceovers by clicking the pause button, and when you're done you can click on the done option. And just like that you can add voiceovers to your project on Canva. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and we will be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.